I managed to fix the problem. So, stuff's running here correctly. Well, that I had a memory issue, but that was, I don't know why, yesterday. But I managed to have it boot. It's inside of Windows now. And now I'm able to use my computer again. Just need to change this because currently I have just a cheap little CPU here that I got on Amazon. So I can flash my BIOS to the i7 7700K. That's the new processor since I broke that one. That's the new one right there. I have to wait to put it in there.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
I wish this was an April Fool's joke. So to get started with the process of what I had to do, I had to get a motherboard. I went to Micro Center, the tech store, I had to get a new motherboard. I got a motherboard to test out if it was the motherboard that was the issue because I've tried the RAM. The RAM seemed to be working fine. I diagnostics, I did all the tests, the RAM seemed fine, it registered, it was fine. The graphics card wasn't the problem because I took that out and tried it with and without it, and then and the hard drives weren't wrong because I bought the external hard drive enclosure thing so I can connect it via USB to my sister's laptop, and they both showed up. So then it wasn't the power supply because then it wouldn't be functioning the way it did. So then I've decided to get a new CPU, but before that, while testing the motherboard, the cat jumped on my leg and I dropped the Skylake i5 that I had in my system before, and it broke and it was completely gone. It's dead. So then I decided, you know what, I had to go buy one anyways. I might as well just do an upgrade, right? So I got a generation up. So I got the 7 series now, and I got an i7. So now hopefully I can do more work faster and better, stronger work. I got into 3D last night. That was kind of fun. After Effects 3D. And then, so I went from getting a new CPU, putting that on. That worked, but I had to get a i3 off of Amazon.com because Micro Center by my house didn't actually have Skylake CPUs anymore, so I had to buy the cheapest one I could find on Amazon. And I got that 2 days later with Prime. Hashtag Prime is the best. It's a lifesaver. And then I got onto the motherboard, did a flash so I can actually work with the 7 series on my Z170 motherboard. And then I went to turning it back on, and I had a DRAM issue. The system wouldn't boot, and then I just played around with it. I kept doing things, and then I finally got it to work. and the system booted. So now I get to actually do some work. Now I've been doing a lot of work since I fixed it, and I'm so happy that I got it back. I can actually get more work done. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this helped you guys out. Maybe if you had the same issue, we'll link it up in the eye so you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and maybe comment down below if you're having this issue. I'll try to help you out as much as I can. Bye, guys.